We start with one hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, exactly here we mentioned we can look for reversal, and exactly this is what we get. But we were expecting the price to tag at least 824. The price almost near to what we expected, but it couldn't tag. Anyway, after that, the price dropped and we didn't have any update. But if we put this top in relative to the previous one, we could see we have a divergence. That's why the possibility of the price to drop was very high. Anyway, we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. If I remove all these things, we move to daily chart. All right. As you can see, the price is dropping because we mentioned we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time. Then how we can look for trade? If I move to forward chart, we don't have any information based on forward chart. The only thing is if we refer to our analysis, I was keep highlighting we need to know about this flat. Since the price dropped sharply, we can the possibility of the price either to retest the previous low or deeper correction is very high, and exactly what we get here. But can we expect the price to retest the previous low? That means this is the start of the down move, or this is the big correction. We cannot confirm with that. And if we refer to the indicators, the only thing is we see we have a divergence here if we put this on. But MACD doesn't show us anything. The possibility of the price to retest the low is very less. Okay, that's why still we can look at this one as a correction. But how to look for trade? We don't have any trade set up, and we cannot confirm right now whether this is the start of the down move or correction. Anyway, how we can look for trade? The only thing is still we can look at this one, and this is the first this correction. Okay, can we put this one as a flat? And this is the first move, correction, flat? No. The only thing is, since the price broke the previous one, may we consider this as the first move and this is a bigger correction. But the ways look like it does give us a different possibility and different option to look for. That's why we don't need to make ourselves confused. And right now, what I'm looking for, whenever we look, see this one, if we put this low and relative to the previous one, also we don't have any information for the divergence. Okay, then how we can look for trade? The best thing is we wait and get the correction here. And what I'm looking for, I want to see whether the price can, I mean, we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 630 and 6594, somewhere within this range. That means the first one is 630, the second one is 594. Why I put these lines? I mentioned still we can expect the price, but I'm looking for the reversal anywhere within this range. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. We can expect the price drops some more before we get the reversal. That means if we get still we can put this one as a bigger flat. Okay, this is how because I mentioned we can look for this one in a different way, but right now we want to see whether we can put this one as an expanding flat or not. The first move, internal correction flat in relative to this, and the last expanding. That means any reversal from here we can take the trade for buy. Okay, that's why we can expect the price drop to at least these levels. But if the price break this low, then mostly this is the start of the down move. We cannot confirm with the expanding flat. Then how we can look for trade? The best thing is we wait and get the correction here, whether we get the correction for one more drop or reversal. We cannot confirm right now, but right now we can look at this one as expanding flat. The best thing is we wait, we get the correction before we take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.